Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by opening Shortcuts and creating a new shortcut. Tap the plus and choose Add Action. Select Scripting, then URL or Open App. Use WhatsApp //send. Phone equals phone number for direct chat, replacing phone number with full digits. Once done, test the URL action to ensure WhatsApp opens the right conversation. Make sure you include the country code. If you want a typed message, add text before the URL and pass it via Open URLs or a custom WhatsApp action. Now build the logic. Use Ask for input to choose a contact, or use a variable if you prefer a fixed number. Insert a text action for a template message and combine it with URL encoding. Once done, use scripting Open URLs or a dedicated WhatsApp API action to pass variables. Make sure to test each branch. If you use if, verify both true and false paths. This ensures reliability, whether you pick a contact manually or select one automatically. Finish by customizing the shortcut icon and adding it to your home screen, or set a Siri phrase for voice activation. Once done, test a full run. Confirm WhatsApp opens, message prefills, and the contact is correct. If something goes wrong, check the URL encoding for special characters, ensure Shortcuts has permission to open apps, and verify the phone number includes the correct country code. Rerun tests after fixes to confirm everything works smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.